Welcome to Pakala Lake, a tourist destination. Dawn to Dusk presentation through my eyes. Pakala Lake is 4 kilometers from Narsampet in Warangal district of Telangana. Presenting the lake for you. My day started with the sighting of the shining moon and the sparkling Venus in a pollution-free, clear sky. Here are some birds on an early flight. Enjoy the breathtaking view of the sprawling man-made lake constructed in 1213 AD by the Kakatiya king Ganapati Deva. All the birds up and awake to welcome the rising sun. Chirpy, chirpy, cheep, cheep. Take a deep breath and enjoy the chirping of birds, gentle sound of the flowing water, and the beautiful sunrise. Om Suryaya Namaha. Here is a lovely morning with the rays of sunshine weaving a golden carpet as they pass through the waters. The lake is enveloped by forests spreading over 900 square kilometers. The forest terrain is undulated and diverse with rocks. Watch out for the monkeys, they are in plenty, and also lot of watchtowers to get the beautiful view of the lake. We are going to a watchtower to get another perspective of the lake. The forest is also a home for many species of birds, animals, flora, and fauna. The birds list starts with the most common egrets to the latest migrant pelican. The lake is a home for almost 600 crocodiles. Monkeys, up to their monkey business. You find them a lot. A tiger made its presence felt by leaving pug marks close to Chilakamagutta. The state flower of Telangana, Tangedu Puvu, Senna auriculata, and there are many more. A treat to our eyes. Butterflies are in plenty. There is a butterfly park and they are all over in different colors. The mesmerizing natural beauty of the lake is enhanced by the presence of many streams. The gentle sound and touch of the flowing water is calming and energizing too. A mid-afternoon view of the lake from another watchtower. Breathtaking. Well, the sun was ready to set and to pave way for the moon. The birds were back to their homes. Our day ended with a campfire under the starry sky by the side of the lake. It was in the presence of Panchabhuta, or the five physical elements: fire, water, earth, sky, and air, marking an end to a mesmerizing and exhilarating day. A surreal feeling to cherish for days to come. Thank you for watching.